name is Hagan Bird. I am from Colorado Springs, Colorado, and this is my last day of the 2-day course of paint correction and ceramic coating. So yesterday, our first day, we kind of started off, obviously knowing all the tools, getting familiar with them, and then we really worked into starting off buffing using our first compound 101, using a roll wheel to get most of the damage out, and then we slowly worked up to foam pads and higher grit compounds to really get that shine. And today we got a demo in some ceramic coatings, and that's actually been pretty easy, but it's a little time or meticulous because you gotta get them level, you gotta have that working time. You only have about 5 minutes between applying and leveling. But yeah, it's been really fun. It's a lot of new knowledge, and I'm definitely gonna bring it back and see what I can do in the springs with it. So Mel Craig, he is an awesome teacher. He may come off as out there at first, but he's just getting that knowledge right out so you can absorb it to the most, I guess. Well, I really do love this class. Thank you, Mel, and thank you, Todd, for teaming up with them. It's just been really great.